In today's video, we will show you how to replace the blade on a Toro lawnmower. You will need a socket wrench and a block of wood to replace the blade. Always disconnect the spark plug before servicing your mower. To start, tip the lawnmower on its side, making sure the air filter and the carburetor side are facing up. Take a block of wood, position it between the blade and the deck so the blade won't rotate as you remove it. Next, take your socket wrench and remove the blade. Before you completely remove the blade, make sure to take note of how it's positioned so you can put it back on correctly. Then you can remove the blade bolt, blade adapter, and the blade. Then take your new blade, put the blade adapter bracket back on, reinsert the blade bolt, and attach it back onto the blade adapter on your mower deck. Again, take your block of wood, position it between the blade and a part on your deck so it won't rotate as you tighten. Finally, take your socket wrench, or preferably a torque wrench, and tighten the blade to your manufacturer's recommendations. And that's how to replace a blade on a Toro lawnmower.